thought to thought, a restless shifting stream, from memory to passing one, from sight to inner scene. It reaches back, it leans ahead, rarely where it stands, pulled by echoes left behind or futures loosely planned. When the mind begins to drift away, it's gently called back home. Each return builds quiet strength, and steadiness is grown. No force applied, no harsh command, just patience soft and kind. The scattered threads are gathered in, and center fills the mind. Old images rise and fade again, from sense and former days. Pictures shaped by want fulfilled, or knowledge stored in waves. But deeper still, a knowing waits, unmarked by time or name. A silent light the soul once held, before the thought became. When the mind begins to drift away, it's gently called back home. Each return builds quiet strength, and steadiness is grown. No force applied, no harsh command, just patience soft and kind. The scattered threads are gathered in, and center fills the mind. Not every memory has to stay, not every thought is true. They pass like clouds across the sky and leave no trace in you. When focus rests in deeper light, the noise begins to cease. The mind aligns with what endures and settles into peace. From many thoughts to single sight, from motion into still, the mind reflects the soul's clear gaze, aligned with higher will. No longer lost in surface waves, or pulled by former time. The wandering path grows straight and clear, when soul and mind align. Return